Look up at the night sky, a canvas of cosmic history now being rewritten by human hands. For centuries, we watched the stars. Now we're sending our own technology into orbit, changing what's possible above Earth. China has launched a supercomputer into space and demonstrated in-orbit refueling, two breakthroughs that redefine our relationship with space. Imagine satellites that don't just collect data, but process it instantly, right above us. And what if satellites could refuel, extending their missions for years instead of becoming space junk? China's Shijian-25 satellite just proved in-orbit refueling is real. These advances aren't isolated, they're the start of a smarter, more sustainable era in space. We're building a living technological ecosystem overhead. It's about overcoming distance and resource limits and learning to work in space, not just visit. This is the dawn of a new era, one where our presence in space is persistent and intelligent. The tools are here and the story is just beginning. The final frontier is no longer out of reach. Our journey has only just begun. What is a supercomputer in space? Meet the three-body computing constellation. Instead of one giant satellite, China is launching a team, one with cameras, one with sensors, and one the brain, packed with processors. Together they form an intelligent network orbiting Earth. Traditionally, satellites sent raw data down for analysis, causing delays. Now, the three-body system processes data in orbit, delivering real-time insights. Imagine emergency responders getting instant flood maps, or farmers receiving live crop health updates. Urban planners can monitor traffic and pollution as it happens. This is a live, intelligent map of our planet, a digital twin. The network is resilient and upgradable. If one part fails, the others adapt. New satellites can join, constantly improving the system. We're not just taking pictures from space anymore. We're understanding Earth in real time. This is a leap from observation to true planetary intelligence. The future of Earth monitoring is already in orbit. Now, the Cosmic Gas Station, China's Shijian-25, just refueled another satellite in orbit. This feat, performed at 17,000 miles per hour, is a triumph of engineering. Why does it matter? Because it breaks the rule that satellites die when their fuel runs out. In-orbit refueling means satellites can serve for decades, not just years. Imagine telescopes or GPS satellites getting a second life or even upgrades. This shift turns satellites from disposable tools into lasting infrastructure. It also enables new missions spacecraft can launch with empty tanks, refuel in orbit, and head to Mars or beyond. The first successful refueling is a step toward a sustainable, serviceable space ecosystem. We're moving from throwaway missions to a permanent human presence in space. The age of orbital infrastructure has begun. These advances are reshaping the global space industry. The old model, build, launch, replace, is giving way to networks of serviceable, upgradable satellites. Companies like SpaceX and Amazon could refuel and upgrade satellites in orbit, cutting costs and reducing space debris. A new market for in-orbit servicing is emerging, space mechanics for a new era. This architecture also makes deep space missions more practical. Lunar gateways and refueling depots could support journeys to the Moon and Mars. Competition is driving innovation worldwide. NASA and others are racing to develop similar tech. The result? Faster progress, more reliable missions, and a more accessible space for all. This isn't just about one nation, it's a global leap forward. We're building the foundation for a new space economy. The future of exploration is interconnected, sustainable, and open to everyone. Decades from now, we'll see this as a turning point. AI-powered satellites and in-orbit refueling mark the shift from visiting space to living there. The three-body constellation gives Earth a real-time nervous system, helping us manage disasters, cities, and resources. In-orbit refueling gives our ambitions endurance. Missions can last, adapt, and reach farther. We're moving from short sprints to a marathon of discovery. Space is becoming a place to work, live, and build. These breakthroughs are part of a larger human story: curiosity, ingenuity, and the drive to explore. The cosmos is no longer just a destination, it's our new neighborhood. We're building intelligent networks and cosmic highways. The tools are here and the journey is underway. We're learning not just to visit space, but to call it home.